Alright, working on a 95 Honda Accord. So we had was a crank and no start. We had fuel, we had spark, checked everything, checked the igniter, checked the coils, pulled the injectors out, they were pulsing. Everything seemed to be right, but we just didn't have any starting. I mean, it would turn over, or crank, but it would not start, it would not fire up. So what I ended up doing was pulling this timing cover off, because I suspected it could be the timing off. But at the angle that the belt was at first, it looked good. I just kept turning it over, and that's when I seen that the belt was ripped. Slightly ripped in one spot, and then go a little bit further down, it was ripped some more in another. So what ended up happening was the belt had jump timing. Put a new belt on, ran like a dream again. So hopefully this helps somebody figure it out.